初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
What kind of bread is fresh today?
What kind of bread is fresh today?
今天哪种面包是新鲜的？
What kind of bread is fresh today?
What kind of bread is fresh today?
I want to buy a loaf of toast.
I want to buy a loaf of toast.
我想买一条吐司面包。
I want to buy a loaf of toast.
I want to buy a loaf of toast.
Do you have any sweet pastries?
Do you have any sweet pastries?
你们有甜点吗？
Do you have any sweet pastries?
Do you have any sweet pastries?
This croissant looks very flaky.
This croissant looks very flaky.
这个牛角包看起来非常酥脆。
This croissant looks very flaky.
This croissant looks very flaky.
How much is a box of cupcakes?
How much is a box of cupcakes?
一盒纸杯蛋糕多少钱？
How much is a box of cupcakes?
How much is a box of cupcakes?
Can I have a piece of cheesecake?
Can I have a piece of cheesecake?
我可以要一块芝士蛋糕吗？
Can I have a piece of cheesecake?
Can I have a piece of cheesecake?
Do you sell whole wheat bread here?
Do you sell whole wheat bread here?
你们这里卖全麦面包吗？
Do you sell whole wheat bread here?
Do you sell whole wheat bread here?
These cookies smell so delicious.
These cookies smell so delicious.
这些饼干闻起来真香。
These cookies smell so delicious.
These cookies smell so delicious.
I need a bag of dinner rolls.
I need a bag of dinner rolls.
我需要一袋晚餐小面包卷。
I need a bag of dinner rolls.
I need a bag of dinner rolls.
Is this muffin with chocolate chips?
Is this muffin with chocolate chips?
这个松饼是巧克力碎的吗？
Is this muffin with chocolate chips?
Is this muffin with chocolate chips?
Can you warm this bread for me?
Can you warm this bread for me?
你能帮我把这个面包加热一下吗？
Can you warm this bread for me?
Can you warm this bread for me?
Do you have any sugar-free options?
Do you have any sugar-free options?
你们有无糖的选择吗？
Do you have any sugar-free options?
Do you have any sugar-free options?
This fruit tart looks very pretty.
This fruit tart looks very pretty.
这个水果塔看起来非常漂亮。
This fruit tart looks very pretty.
This fruit tart looks very pretty.
How long can these pastries stay fresh?
How long can these pastries stay fresh?
这些糕点能保持新鲜多久？
How long can these pastries stay fresh?
How long can these pastries stay fresh?
I want to try your signature bread.
I want to try your signature bread.
我想尝尝你们的招牌面包。
I want to try your signature bread.
I want to try your signature bread.
Can I pack these separately, please?
Can I pack these separately, please?
请问我可以分开包装这些吗？
Can I pack these separately, please?
Can I pack these separately, please?
Do you have any breakfast sets?
Do you have any breakfast sets?
你们有早餐套餐吗？
Do you have any breakfast sets?
Do you have any breakfast sets?
These donuts are so colorful.
These donuts are so colorful.
这些甜甜圈颜色真丰富。
These donuts are so colorful.
These donuts are so colorful.
How much is a slice of apple pie?
How much is a slice of apple pie?
一片苹果派多少钱？
How much is a slice of apple pie?
How much is a slice of apple pie?
Can I order a birthday cake here?
Can I order a birthday cake here?
我可以在这里订一个生日蛋糕吗？
Can I order a birthday cake here?
Can I order a birthday cake here?
This bread is still warm and soft.
This bread is still warm and soft.
这个面包还是温热的，很柔软。
This bread is still warm and soft.
This bread is still warm and soft.
Do you have any savory scones?
Do you have any savory scones?
你们有咸味司康饼吗？
Do you have any savory scones?
Do you have any savory scones?
I need a few pieces of moon cake.
I need a few pieces of moon cake.
我需要几块月饼。
I need a few pieces of moon cake.
I need a few pieces of moon cake.
Can you recommend your best pastry?
Can you recommend your best pastry?
你能推荐你们最好的糕点吗？
Can you recommend your best pastry?
Can you recommend your best pastry?
These macarons have nice colors.
These macarons have nice colors.
这些马卡龙颜色很好看。
These macarons have nice colors.
These macarons have nice colors.
Do you accept mobile payment here?
Do you accept mobile payment here?
你们这里接受移动支付吗？
Do you accept mobile payment here?
Do you accept mobile payment here?
I want to buy some bread for breakfast.
I want to buy some bread for breakfast.
我想买些面包当早餐。
I want to buy some bread for breakfast.
I want to buy some bread for breakfast.
Can I get a discount for bulk buying?
Can I get a discount for bulk buying?
我大量购买可以打折吗？
Can I get a discount for bulk buying?
Can I get a discount for bulk buying?
This cream bun tastes so good.
This cream bun tastes so good.
这个奶油面包味道真好。
This cream bun tastes so good.
This cream bun tastes so good.
Do you have any fresh breadsticks?
Do you have any fresh breadsticks?
你们有新鲜的面包棒吗？
Do you have any fresh breadsticks?
Do you have any fresh breadsticks?
I need to pick up my pre-ordered cake.
I need to pick up my pre-ordered cake.
我需要去我预定的蛋糕。
I need to pick up my pre-ordered cake.
I need to pick up my pre-ordered cake.
These egg tarts are still hot.
These egg tarts are still hot.
这些蛋挞还是热的。
These egg tarts are still hot.
These egg tarts are still hot.
Can you put this in a gift box?
Can you put this in a gift box?
你能把这个放进礼品盒吗？
Can you put this in a gift box?
Can you put this in a gift box?
Do you sell bread with raisins?
Do you sell bread with raisins?
你们卖葡萄干面包吗？
Do you sell bread with raisins?
Do you sell bread with raisins?
This matcha cake looks very nice.
This matcha cake looks very nice.
这个抹茶蛋糕看起来很不错。
This matcha cake looks very nice.
This matcha cake looks very nice.
I want to take 2 loaves of rye bread.
I want to take 2 loaves of rye bread.
我想买2条黑麦面包。
I want to take 2 loaves of rye bread.
I want to take 2 loaves of rye bread.
Can I have a sample of this cookie?
Can I have a sample of this cookie?
我可以尝一下这个饼干的样品吗？
Can I have a sample of this cookie?
Can I have a sample of this cookie?
Your bread shop has so many choices.
Your bread shop has so many choices.
你的面包店有这么多选择。
Your bread shop has so many choices.
Your bread shop has so many choices.
Thank you for the nice pastries today.
Thank you for the nice pastries today.
谢谢你今天美味的糕点。
Thank you for the nice pastries today.
Thank you for the nice pastries today.
Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.
Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.
祝你今天愉快，明天见。
Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.
Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。